Let's go now to KCAL News reporter Rick Montanez, who's in Fontana. And Rick, already getting windy and cold where you are, huh?
Yeah, windy, cold, and dry, Rutabaga, and these conditions are so intense that 2 schools we know of so far have canceled class for the day. We're talking Pacuma Elementary as well as Kimbark Elementary School, closed by San Bernardino City Schools. And you could see in the shrubbery and the trees behind us just how much the wind is blowing. Usually Fontana gets some wind. This is a corridor known for it, but it is strong today, and we are feeling those gusts as well. And, there is a lot of concern because, as Paul was mentioning right now, any spark could start a fire and it could move quickly. Check out this video. This is from last night, SkyCal over Harupa Valley, where there was a brush fire in the Santa Ana River bottom. That was controlled quickly by firefighters from Riverside City and County, but they were putting out warnings for the neighborhood nearby because they were so concerned that the fire could spread quickly. Of course, that was before these stronger winds started to move in overnight and into right now. We just talked with 2 men who were driving to work. They stopped for gas. One of them a truck driver by trade, the other one driving into work in his Jeep, talking about how difficult these conditions are with such strong winds blowing across the SoCal freeways. What is it like on days like this to be in such a big vehicle?
You just kind of hope that you're not one of the guys that gets tipped over.
Right? It's a box, so you feel it. It's not aerodynamic, so yeah.
So you're rocking back and forth?
Oh yeah, for sure, yeah.
And so as we face another day with very strong winds, we have to remember the Inland Empire is now a week straight of red flag warnings because of very dry conditions. Of course, the winds are not helping things either. Southern California Edison has 14,000 customers in Riverside and San Bernardino counties that are without power because of public safety power shutoffs. That is in the area where we are in right now. These gas stations have power presumably on generators, but the restaurants around here have no power. 230,000 other customers in the IE are at risk for losing power if conditions worsen where they are. We also have to remember that SoCal Edison, it takes a while for them to get crews out to turn power back on. Of course, that is once conditions improve, but we are feeling these strong, gusty winds out here in the IE this morning, and impacting certainly the risk for wildfires, drivers, all of us feeling the dangers that we need to be aware of. We're live in Fontana. Rick Montanez, KCAL News.
Rick, thank you. We can see it blowing around behind you there. And